What if I told you that the key to better digestion, skin, and sleep could be found in a bottle of olive oil and your belly button? It might sound like a page taken from ancient wellness manuscripts, but this simple nightly ritual taps into a world of benefits most of us are completely unaware of. Not just a culinary staple, but a mighty ally in our health regimen, especially when it comes to an unusual yet effective method: applying it to the navel overnight. Intrigued? You're about to discover the top 5 health benefits this simple practice can offer. In cultures around the world, the navel is more than just a physical mark. It's considered a pivotal health center, linking to various parts of the body through a network of veins. This belief isn't just rooted in tradition. There's scientific curiosity about the navel's potential pathways for absorption. By targeting this central point, the practice of applying olive oil overnight is thought to leverage a direct route to influencing health, internally and externally. Now, let's explore the top 5 health benefits of using olive oil on the navel. Number 1. Enhanced digestive health. Olive oil's natural composition, teeming with antioxidants and monounsaturated fats, supports the digestive system in a gentle yet effective manner. When applied to the navel and absorbed overnight, it can stimulate digestive enzymes and help ease the passage of food through the intestines. This not only helps alleviate constipation but also assists in nutrient absorption and reduces bloating. Imagine waking up feeling lighter and more energized, all thanks to the soothing touch of olive oil. Number 2. Improved skin health. Beyond its internal benefits, olive oil is a boon for skin health. Its hydrating properties deeply moisturize the skin, preventing dryness and maintaining skin elasticity. The antioxidants, particularly vitamin E, combat oxidative stress, which can lead to premature aging and skin damage. Regular application around the navel area can therefore not only enhance your skin's glow, but also diminish blemishes and soften scars. This natural remedy is like a nightly spa treatment for your skin, rejuvenating it from within. Number 3. Balanced hormones and reduced menstrual pain. The navel, a pivotal center in our body, when nourished with olive oil, may play a role in balancing hormone levels. This is particularly beneficial for those suffering from menstrual discomfort. The fatty acids in olive oil, akin to those found in hormone precursors, can aid in regulating menstrual cycles and alleviate cramps. This practice, rooted in ancient wellness traditions, offers a natural approach to hormone health, potentially easing the physical and emotional symptoms associated with menstrual cycles. Number 4. Better sleep quality. The calming effect of olive oil extends to our sleep. Its soothing properties, when applied to the navel, can signal the body to relax and unwind, facilitating a quicker transition to sleep. This practice can enhance the quality of sleep, allowing for deeper rest and reducing nighttime awakenings. For those struggling with sleep disturbances, this simple nightly ritual might be the missing link to peaceful, uninterrupted slumber. Number 5. Boosted immunity. Olive oil's rich antioxidant profile doesn't just support the body externally. When absorbed through the navel, these compounds can contribute to a stronger immune system. Antioxidants fight off free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and bolstering the body's defenses against infections and diseases. This natural immunity boost, facilitated by a nightly application of olive oil, is a testament to the powerful protective qualities of natural ingredients in supporting overall health. How to apply olive oil to the navel. Integrating olive oil into your nightly routine is simple yet impactful. Here's how to do it effectively. Number 1. Select the right olive oil. Look for high-quality, organic extra virgin olive oil. It's the least processed form, retaining the maximum amount of antioxidants and nutrients. Number 2. Preparation. Start with a clean navel. Gently cleanse the area around your belly button with mild soap and water to ensure the oil is absorbed effectively. Number 3. Application. Using your fingertips, apply a few drops, about 3 to 5, of olive oil directly in your navel. Gently massage in a circular motion for a minute or 2, allowing the skin to absorb the oil. Number 4. Quantity and frequency. A small amount goes a long way. Repeat this process nightly for the best results. Consistency is key in seeing benefits over time. Number 5. Post-application care. Consider covering the area with a clean, small bandage or cloth to protect your clothing and bedding from oil stains. We've journeyed through the ancient wisdom and modern understanding behind the benefits of applying olive oil to the navel. This simple practice, rooted in tradition, holds the potential to improve digestion, skin health, sleep quality, and more. As we close, I encourage you to explore this natural remedy, integrating it into your wellness routine responsibly. Have you tried applying olive oil to your navel, or do you have any natural remedies you swear by? Drop a comment below with your thoughts, experiences, or questions about natural health practices. Your input enriches our community and guides future content. Let's explore the world of wellness together, sharing knowledge and experiences that lead us all to a healthier, more vibrant life.